Today I will show how to buy shares of Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft, listed on Xetra under the ticker DBK.de. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. Please research and understand the risks before investing. To trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DBK.de to locate Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft. Make sure you select the Xetra listing to find the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary, business description, and the price chart to confirm details. Double-check that the listing shows DBK.de on Xetra before continuing. To place an order, choose Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the transaction. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow the same steps.